Back now on Try It Today. We always like to have folks on from Goodwill and tell us what's going on and all the great things they're doing in the community. And sometimes we like to have folks on who can talk about how they're doing things for the community in partnership with Goodwill, and this fits the bill. One of our friends who's been on the show before, Lori Bates, our director. Let's meet the very lovely Mona Lovett. She's Executive Director of Crosby Scholars Community Partnership. Welcome back to the show.
Glad to be here.
Just for people that may not have seen you on the program some years ago, and just give me a brief thing on what Crosby Scholars program is.
Well, Crosby Scholars is a college access program. It's available to students in Winston-Salem and Forsyth County in grades 6 through 12. And our primary goal is to make sure that the students attending public school in Forsyth County have the opportunity to go to college and that they're prepared to do so, and that financial barriers, preparation barriers, information barriers do not impede our students from being able to go to college.
Now, if I'm a high school student, how do I sign up for this? Because I want to make sure people understand it's not just an automatic thing. You don't show up for school and you're in the Crosby Scholars program.
Right. Well, we try to make it as easy as possible, but the program is open to all students in public school in grades 6 through 10. Our application period, enrollment period is August 15th through October 1st. There's an online application, and everybody who submits an application by the deadline is automatically accepted.
Now, how has the program grown over the years?
It's grown substantially. We are now at 9,700 students here in Forsyth County.
My gosh.
And through our affiliation with Goodwill, we actually now have a Crosby Scholars program in Rowan County. And they'll graduate their first senior Crosby Scholars this year. And this year we just opened a program in Iredell County as well.
Tell me about, we mentioned Goodwill a few minutes ago. How does the program Crosby Scholars associate with Goodwill Industries of Northwest North Carolina? What's the partnership?
Well, it really, for some people initially is like, how would you put those two together? But Goodwill works to remove barriers to unemployment, and of course Crosby Scholars works to remove barriers to higher education. And Goodwill has found that one of the largest barriers to unemployment is the lack of education.
Right.
So working together with our youth and helping their families understand the importance of education and how to access it really will help both of us move forward in our mission.
You already answered this in part, but I'm going to come at this a little bit different way in terms of how it helps students. Give me an example. If I'm a parent and I meet you outside the hallway and say, hey, I saw you on the TV show, Mona. Tell me one example of how this is going to help my daughter or my son be a better student and get into college.
Well, one of the things that we try to do throughout the program is, one, inform parents of what's needed. What are the qualifications to get into our university system as well as the many private and our two-year institutions. And so we walk students through every step of college preparation, college admissions, financial aid, and scholarships, so that lack of information and lack of awareness is not a barrier to enrolling in college. And we work with students on things like conflict resolution and study skills and test-taking skills, so all the things and tools that they need to be successful.
Make them well-rounded.
Well-rounded. And of course, all of our students have to do community service, so they give back to the community for supporting them as students.
I think that is so important that they have to give back to the community. Turn that around, though. How can the community support Crosby Scholars?
Well, yeah. Lots of ways. Of course, we can always use volunteers. We still have our one-day Crosby Scholars Invitational, so we have teams for that. We have people who can go out and share information with our students as far as their skills and the things that they need to be successful. So there are lots of ways. Volunteers and support, both are important.
Is there a timetable where, if I'm in high school, that I can sign up? Is there a time past where you can't sign up? I mean, what's the date that we need to keep in mind?
The program's open to students in grades 6 through 10, so they must join by 10th grade. And then our recruitment period every year is August 15th through October 1st.
August 15th through October 1st?
Yes.
Okay. Let's put some things up on screen. One is the website for Crosby Scholars, www.crosbyscholars.org. That's easy to remember. And then a good thanks and a shout out to Art Gibble, Jamie Eichhorn, all the good folks at Goodwill with their website, Goodwill NWNC, which stands for Northwest North Carolina, goodwillnwnc.org. All sorts of information about workforce development. They really help in training people and getting people back to work and into the workforce. And you're getting people at a younger age to train them a little bit for good well-roundedness and work ethic. So we appreciate that 1-2 punch there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mona.
All right.
We'll be right back after this.